Are you worried about the volatility in the share market? Let's talk about how Australia's property market is proving to be a rock-solid investment you need right now and why it might be the best place for your investment. Hello everyone, Rusty here with Get Rare Properties. Today, we are diving into how the Australian property market is proving to be a safe haven amidst the recent share market crash for the week ending 9th of August 2024. While house prices are on the rise, there are plenty of affordable options available. Did you know that? There are 25 cities with populations over 50,000 where the median house price is still below 750,000. For instance, Maitland, just 20 kilometers northwest of Canstar, tops the list, followed by Geelong and Hobart. In Western Australia, Perth and Mandurah are great picks. Up in Queensland, Toowoomba and Cairns shine. Amazing, isn't it? Quality infrastructure and job opportunities abound in these areas. This week's share market collapse wiped off over $160 billion, but the property market stood strong. According to CoreLogic, national home values rose by 0.5% in July, marking the 18th consecutive monthly increase. Perth saw a 2% rise last quarter. Adelaide was up by 1.8%, Brisbane climbed 1.1%, and Sydney edged up by 0.3%. Even though Melbourne, Hobart, and Darwin saw a slight decline, property remains a stable investment compared to shares. Let's talk about surge in housing finance. Housing finance is booming across Australia. Com6 report shows an impressive rise. ABS figures also reveal a 30.2% year-on-year increase in new investor loans. This surge shows a strong interest from investors, first-time buyers, and owner-occupiers alike. In July, house prices throughout Australia reached new peaks, but led with a staggering 23% increase over the past 12 months, followed by Adelaide and Brisbane with 15% and 14% rises respectively. Despite slight decreases in Melbourne and Hobart, the overall trend is upward. That wraps up this week's property market update. If you are looking to buy your first home, upgrade or invest, now is a great time to explore your options. Property remains a stable and reliable investment, even during uncertain times. Love staying informed about the property market? Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for instant notifications on new videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for our upcoming Pay Off Your Mortgage in 10 Years workshop. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.